there! So you are planning to study in Germany for the winter semester 2025? Well, that's an incredible decision. But before you dive into the process, you need to be careful about a few common mistakes that could cost you time, money, or even your admission. In this video, I am breaking down exactly what you need to do and what you should avoid. Trust me, this info could save you a ton of stress. So grab your coffee and let's get into it. Mistake number 1, starting too late. Alright, first up, the biggest mistake students make is starting too late. You have got to start preparing right now. Waiting until the last minute can be a disaster and you risk missing deadlines or rushing through important steps. Research is the foundation of your entire application, and here's where many people mess up. They think all MBAs or computer science programs are the same. They are not. Even if two courses have the same title, the content can vary greatly depending on the university. So, avoid the one-size-fits-all mindset and start researching as soon as possible. Mistake number 2, not shortlisting properly. Let's say it's October 15th and you are finally starting your research. Here's what not to do. Don't just pick the first 5 programs you come across. Instead, shortlist at least 20 to 25 courses that genuinely interest you. Whether you are into data science, engineering, or business, get a wide range of options before you start filtering. Make a spreadsheet. Write down the course names, universities, deadlines, language requirements, everything. Seriously, don't skip this step. Mistake number 3, ignoring requirements. Here's another mistake, ignoring the specific requirements. You would be surprised how many students do this. You need to match your CGPA, work experience, and other requirements with what the university is asking for. This is where the real magic happens. Once you have filtered out the courses that don't fit your profile, you will have a clear idea of which programs are the best match for you. Mistake number 4, skipping early exam prep. Next, let's talk about exams. A huge mistake is not preparing for aptitude tests early enough. You will likely need either the GRE or GMAT depending on your course. And those exams aren't easy. GMAT is required for bachelor's programs, testing your analytical writing, quantitative reasoning, and verbal skills. While GRE is required for master's program, especially in STEM fields like engineering or computer science. Make sure you start preparing by November. Slots fill up fast and you don't want to miss out. We have linked a detailed video on GRE and GMAT prep in the description. So check that out for more tips. Mistake number 5, underestimating language tests. Moving on to language requirements, don't underestimate these. Many students forget that without the right language certificate, their application won't even be considered. For English taught courses, you will need the IELTS or TOEFL. For German taught courses, you will need the DSH or Test DAF. Get these tests done well before the application window opens. Skipping this step could put your entire application at risk. Mistake number 6, forgetting the APS certificate. Indian students, this one's for you. One big mistake is forgetting the APS, Academic Evaluation Center certificate. It verifies your Indian educational documents and is essential for the admission process. Apply for it around February or March with your 7th semester mark sheet. It takes about a month to process, so don't leave this until the last minute. Mistake number 7, ignoring application windows. Now let's talk application windows. A lot of students assume they can apply at the last minute, but application deadlines can vary drastically between universities. Some wrap up by April or May. Here's a pro tip. Practice by filling out a dummy application with random PDFs. This way, when the real deadline rolls around, you won't be caught off guard. Mistake number 8, delaying visa prep. Once you get your admit letter, whether it's in April, May or July, don't wait to start gathering your visa documents. This year, students faced major delays just waiting for visa appointments. Here's a quick checklist of what you will need. Travel health insurance, motivation letter, admit letter, blocked account confirmation. Visa processing can take a month or longer. So start early and avoid the headache. Flight bookings and final thoughts. Finally, once your visa is sorted, it's time to book your flights. Use comparison sites like Skyscanner or Make My Trip to get the best deals. Classes typically start in early October, so plan ahead. Looking at the whole timeline from research to booking your flight, it's about a 1 year long process. So if you want to apply for winter semester 2025, start today. Waiting or rushing could mean making costly mistakes, and you don't want to lose an entire year because of a simple error. Now, if you have got any questions or need support, drop them in the comments and we will get back to you. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on studying abroad. See you in the next video. Good luck!